What if every time you clicked your mouse, you made money? What if you could multiply that small amount by a big number with just one click? This innovative technique is free and can be used anywhere in the world. You don't need any special technical skills or knowledge to get started. You don't even need to make any videos or websites or have any social media followers. Welcome back to my channel. This is MetaUverse, and in this video, I'll teach you a technique that will help you earn money through clicking. So, stay tuned until the end to find out this trick. Start by going to entireweb.com. Even though Google is the same as everything else on the internet, they are still a young company, so they are willing to pay anyone who brings clicks to their website. To get more people to visit their website and make more money, they want to get more people to click on it. On their homepage, there is a 3-line icon that you can click to get to Affiliate. When you get to this page, you will see the words, "Earn up to 20 cents for every click." It sounds easy enough already, right? I'm also going to give you some tips on how to make the most of this opportunity to make money and turn it into something you can do without doing anything. You will get paid for each click you get on this platform. As you can see, to be clear, anyone, anywhere in the world can use this method. It's important to have a PayPal account because you can use it to get your money once the process is done. You can't cash out your gains if you don't have them. We pay our affiliates through PayPal, as required by the platform, and all earnings are sent out at the end of each month for the month before. All payments are made in US dollars, and this is the minimum payout. I'll get your attention by telling you that this platform is like Google's search engine. You can use this website to search for anything you want. You can type in any topic or term you want to read about or learn about. And these platforms will give you the most relevant and accurate articles or information. You will be taken to this page, which has all of the search results for the topic or term you just typed in. Using this method, if I type in money making, for example, we may promote the website, or as they call it, an affiliate, and help them reach their goal of gaining the trust of their visitors so that you can easily make a lot of money. Simply put, if you tell someone to try out the platform, you can make a lot of money. But that only works for one person. What if you helped hundreds or thousands of people who used a search engine? That pretty much means you'll get a large amount of money. Before we go any further, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've liked the video so far. Also, please leave a comment below if you like this video and learned something from it. Now let's go back to the video. To get started, all you have to do is click on Create Account. It will ask you to put in your name, last name, username, email, and password. Once done, you'll see this message. Welcome! You have successfully signed up for Affiliate Program. Please check your inbox. An email with further information is on the way. Go to your email and click Login to your account. Then it will take you to this page. Make sure you are under Affiliate Login. You'll be taken to your own dashboard. Before you can do anything else though, you'll need to get your exclusive link, which you'll use to make money and send clickers all over the web. We also need a small script that you can use to promote your special link. To do this, open Google Docs and make a blank page where you can write something that will make people want to click your link. Once your script is done in Google Docs, you can click this button to download it as a PDF file. Then we'll move on to our next platform, slideshare.net, where we'll post our final script article and include a link. This platform is crazy because it gets millions of views every day from people all over the world. It's a source of traffic that lets you share any link for free with thousands of people every day. To get started, click this button to start making an account. Next, choose the file you want to promote and give it a title that makes people want to click on it. After you've filled out all of the required fields, all you have to do is publish your article, and script is click this button. All that's left to do is wait for people to click and for money to come in from the internet. Overall, this situation is good for everyone. The number of clickers, or people who use the web, goes up, and each clicker is free to do their own searches. And that's it! If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like them, please smash that like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.